Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's and I've done quite a few videos about pole trimmer head repairs. Like one of these. Now, the customer, I had to get this for a customer because the backing plate on his one, the bearings had exploded. They dropped the ball bearings into all the gearing. It had chewed it all up, so it wasn't worth repairing. So I ordered this one. Now, 5 or 6 years ago, these were about £150. Now they're near £300 plus, and I've even seen them for over 400. It is on the internet. So anyway, I've ordered this one, so I'm going to do an unboxing of it. But it's not just a case of, oh, let's see inside. I want to see how much grease they've actually put in it. Okay, right, the box opens up from this side here. So I'll just run my Stanley along the edge of it. That's the box open. We have some bubble wrap. Then we have instructions. Put them to one side. Bit of cardboard. Just throw that over there. And now we have the brand new 600mm long head. So there's nothing else in the box. Right then. Let's see how much grease is in here. What do you think? Is that enough grease? What's that? Something's flashing on my camera. Right. Oh, I've got 4 minutes left of recording. So yeah, I'm going to pack that with some more grease, put the top back on, and attach it to the hedge trimmer. Right, I've put a load of grease into it. I'll put the cover over now. To be honest with you, it doesn't matter if it squishes out. It means there's enough grease in there to help the mechanism in there not wear out. Now, also another thing to check is in there, and I've had a quick look, and it doesn't look like there's much grease in that at all. So I'll pump some bit of grease into that before attaching it. So there you are, folks. If you buy a new head for your pole trimmer or your combi unit, just take the back off, pump some grease in it, take the plug off of the side here for the side gearbox, pump some grease into that. At least you know there is more grease in it to help it not wear out as fast, because they are getting ridiculously expensive. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you really liked it, please hit the subscribe. It's totally free and much appreciated. So until next video folks, take care and see you then. Bye.